Do follow backlinks in 2020? The simple explanation would be links that give you SEO juice. No follow links, no SEO juice. But you are awesome, so this is an OBS tutorial and you want to stick until the end to find out a little bit more. But first, make sure you give this video a like, because it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. We are at this fight and I'm not always winning. But when it comes to domain authority and backlinks, for me and my clients, results are good. If we go on a few examples, and I don't want to bore you that much because I do this in every video, from 11 to 55 domain authority, let's go on Dr. Niki, that's within a month. From Helvaving to 57 domain authority within a month. If you want results like this, you can check the link in the description down below and we will increase your domain authority within a month up to 80 plus guaranteed or money back. But if you don't want us to increase your domain authority with a guarantee and you want to build your backlinks for free, sir, yes, I need you to grab a cup of coffee because there's a few things you gotta know. First, there's I will describe 4 ways to go about it. So first you have the white hat way, then you have the black hat way, then you have the automated way, and then you have the actual real way, which is basically the white hat way. So what is the white hat way? Well, you build backlinks by going on guest posts, link rounds, and getting organic mentions of your content. I have a whole video on it, you can see in the cards above, but basically if you build content and you're a go-to source within your niche, people will naturally link to your website because they need some outbound links in order to have this good SEO practice. Then you have the black hat links from Black Hat World. I do not recommend them. I've tried everything, right? I have an agency, so I've tried everything. They're not a good idea. Some websites use them and get results. For example, gambling websites, stuff like that, they would use redirects. Some black hat strategies, I've heard really good sources talk about them, but especially when you're starting out, it's really hard to figure out if it's a good fit for your business. So I would actually shy away from them. So you go to the automated way. There's a few tools that people use. For example, they use Money Robot. I've tried it in the past. Like 2 or 3 years ago, it was good. I'm pretty sure I've used a similar software 13 years ago when I was in school. I worked for a guy, so I was creating one blog post, then adding synonyms, and he would spin text it into thousands of blog posts, and that was happening in 2007.
This is business!
I think it was some software like this. It was very expensive at the time.
I invested the money!
So it was really working. He was building websites with just this, with just automation. I wouldn't really use automation. Then we go to the real DoFollow links, the real links, which would basically be high authority websites, again with white hat, guest posts, link rounds, and so on. If you can just Google guest posting, there's a lot of videos. It's very simple to do, but my tip from here will be don't do it on websites that are below 70 domain authority. It's not a good idea to just go over quantity. It's better to go over quality. And also, do not beg for links. I had numerous requests from people begging for links from my website. People won't give you links, don't do it. It's a bad practice. And you know what? I can just shout you out without you begging. Your website, your Instagram account, YouTube, TikTok, whatever. Just comment it in the comment section down below and don't worry, I'll put it in this jar. And at the end of the video, I'll just spill it out and you see the shout out winners, and here they are. Remember that a video that keeps the doctor away by the end of this video. Make sure you check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.